In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move messages in Slack, how to forward messages in Slack. If you've ever needed to take a message from one conversation and share it somewhere else, Slack makes that quick with its forward or share option. We'll start in the conversation that already has the message you want to move. Open Slack and go to the direct message thread where that message lives. You can find it from your sidebar or use the search bar at the top to jump straight in. This process works the same way in channels, but I'll demonstrate it from a DM to keep things simple. Now, locate the exact message you want to forward. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the action bar. You'll see a few familiar icons for reactions and threads. Look for the paper airplane, the forward icon. Click it. This opens the forwarding window, where you control where the message goes and what context accompanies it. In the To field, start typing the name of the person you want to receive the message. Slack will suggest people, group DMs, and channels you have access to. Click the correct recipient to select it. If you need to send the same message to more than one place, you can add additional recipients here, but make sure you really intend to share it broadly. Forwarding preserves a link back to the original conversation, so be mindful of privacy and channel access. Below that, you'll see a box where you can add a message. This is optional, but highly recommended. A short note gives your recipient the why behind the forward, which saves back and forth later. You might add context like what to review, a deadline, or a quick question. You can also use simple formatting or mentions to direct attention, but keep it concise and professional. Once everything looks right, send it. Click Forward to deliver the selected message, along with your note, to the destination you chose. In the new conversation, Slack will show a preview of the original message and a link back to its source, so teammates can jump into the full thread if they have permission. If someone doesn't have access to the original space, they'll still see your note and any content you chose to include, but they may not be able to open the source link. That's it. You've moved a message in Slack without copy and paste, kept the original context attached, and saved time for everyone involved.